Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you, and this is ARTYmaze's new kit, and it's called Rustic Winter, and I will put a link for that below. This is also a design team project. It comes in two sizes. It comes in a normal journal size and it comes in a traveller's notebook size. So as you know, traveller's notebooks is my kind of favourite size to do, so that's the kit I've used. It's a lovely beautiful kit, and I kind of thought I'd done with Christmas, but you know, this has just jumpstart me back into doing Christmas things again. So the cover is made, it's a collaged cover, and that was inspired by ARTYmaze, who had done her Try It Tuesday, and she was using up all her scraps and making like collages, and she's made one into a traveller's notebook size. And if you go, that was obviously Tuesday's video, so if you go over and see that as well. So I've just done my own like kind of style of collaging using some of like the base papers from the kit, and I've just popped on, this was one of the pockets from the kit that I didn't use, so I just kind of chopped off all the bits and the little roundy bit at the top and just stuck that on the back. I did also use some vintage music paper, done a bit of gessoing on there as well, and I knew obviously I was going to put a topper on this, so I didn't really worry about how the front cover was going to look on this, because what I did do was I cut my cover size and then I collaged on it, so I knew exactly you know, where things were going to be for me. The journal measures 8 inches by 4 1/4. It has one signature. There's 72 pages, front and back, and it has a topper on there. Like I said, if you're looking for ideas for doing that, I do have a Let's Make, and it's making journal toppers. So you'll find that on my playlist, which is called Let's Make, and this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. We've got some scraggy bit of cheesecloth just coming off of there, so I'm just going to snip that, and we've got some what do you call these things, jingle bells. Got some crocheted trim, and let's go inside. Excuse me. So we have this lovely image from the kit, and as you know, I never really cover them over because they're just so pretty. Pockets which you get from the kit. I've used some of the little journaling cards here just to make another little pocket on the pocket, and then there we just have 3 little tickets. Inside here we've got tags from the kit. These tags are they haven't got this image on, I just popped that image on, which you get in the kit, so you can do like your own little styles. We have a doily and a paper bag. Inside there we have a little envelope. There's nothing in the envelope, but you can pop stuff inside there. This is digital Christmas music paper, which is not from ARTYmaze. I don't know who that's from. Got some nice pizza pan paper here. This is just some of the background papers that I just made into, like, that's a little tuck there, so you could do some journaling, and that opens up as well. That's like a Polar Lemon idea. And then I just used again one of the little like full stamps that you get in the kit, to use that as a stopper, so well, to hold it down, and that's the back. I like the kind of woody effect that some of the papers have on them. And there is lots of journaling space. Crocheted trim. Isn't that page gorgeous? Absolutely love it. Here with some of the papers that I used to do the collaging on the cover, I had quite a bit left over because I didn't use scraps to do it. I used pages from the kit, so I had long bits left over, so I've just used that to make a pocket here. These pockets you get with the kit, and you get that tag, and I just popped on some wild lace on there, and that goes in there, and it's got some nice snowflakes on there as well, and of course the birdie. Journal card from the kit, another tag, and I just popped this oval shape on there as well. That's Christmas music paper. Another little like postcard from the kit. Some lined paper here. Got a weird colour on the coffee with that, a little bit different. I think it was because some of it was bleeding through, who knows. Another lovely page from the kit, you could actually write on there. you get these pockets with the kit as well, tag from the kit, and they've all been printed and backed as well. Sorry about my fingers, they're inked up and covered in gesso. And I just popped some tabs on that. Another doily paper bag that you can tuck things inside. Some more Christmas music paper. Centre of the signature and with the jingle bells. These are little pockets as well, but I haven't put anything in there because it was getting kind of chunky. Another tag from the kit. Love that paper, isn't that nice? That lovely wood effect and the snowflakes on there. This, I haven't done this in ages, and this is an idea from Climmy, who is Climmy Creations. So you've got lots of journaling room on there, and like I said, these are little pockets. On here we have another tag, and then another one of these little flippy out things that you can do lots of journaling, or you could add photographs. You can do whatever you like with them. There's a sparkle, like a shimmer to some of the pages because there's micro powders in my coffee water. Another little journal card there, and that's just paper clipped in there. You could glue there and at the bottom to make like a permanent pocket. Other side of a paper bag and a doily. Here we've got another pocket, another large tag, and another tag here. Another flip there, which you could make that into a pocket. Again, I done the same this side, used one of the pieces that I had left over, popped on the pocket with the tag that fits inside there. That was actually a little bit longer, it would probably have sat up there, and I just trimmed it off because I wanted it down a little bit. Another postcard and another journal card there. Love that tree. Some nice markings on that paper there. I made another one of these like full envelope type things. You can tuck things inside there and journal, and just used like one of the full stamps to hold that closed, and that goes in there. Another flip that you could do a little pocket with. Another little envelope with nothing inside. A doily pocket from the kit, and then I just made this into a little pocket, and we have 3 little diggets and then 2 tags inside there, and that I just popped that on there because the tag was just like a blank tag with lines and the wood effect and the snowflakes. And then that is the back. So that is the journal. And like I said, this is called Rustic Winter. I will put a link for that below. I kind of love how this cover come out. It is the obviously I picked the 3 papers that kind of had the same tones to it, even though obviously they're all different, just to do the collaging. And you know, it was good messy fun doing that. It's always nice to get the glue out and just start sticking stuff, isn't it? Any questions about the journal, then please ask, and I hope you're all having a great day, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.